And this is definitely not flat. This is definitely not flat. I thought it was, but it appears to be flat, but it really is not. So this is actually very curved, especially if you compare it to a straight line. Like for instance this. Maybe it's not so easy to tell from there, but it definitely curves before you hit that curve. And definitely does it on this side too. So it's somebody's homemade bow, or it's a terrible kind of repair of one. But I think it might actually be the real one, because I noticed that when I was measuring the thickness, on one side it's exactly 1 inch, and on the other side it's like 7/8. It's like almost an inch, but it's not quite. And in the manual, Chuck says to make sure that you have the fat part of this facing forward toward the front of the cart when you install your bow. So I'm like, so maybe this was a real bow, but it's definitely in need of either replacement, or if I can repair this or replace some parts that are bad, I might try. I don't know. I really don't know better. I'm going to use these kind of scissors right here. This little right here, this part gets it really good. It's nice and flat. But this is being held together right now with the tape. I mean, there is some stimulus money coming. I could use it, but it has to get here in the next week and a half. I don't think the Congress is moving that fast. Okay, this is off. Ooh. I realize there's tiny little holes in here. Indentations. Okay, I gotta find a good place to put this. I think I'm gonna go put this under a bed, so it's not in the way. It's on a soft carpet. I will say though, this the metal frame for this is actually in good shape. A lot better than the shape than the one that Kuiper's got. Kuiper's is a little rusty. Okay, one metal frame. It's in good shape. I marked it, top and bottom. And bottom. That way, because evidently there is a top and a bottom to this. And I want to make sure I do this right. I'll do some sanding and get this all cleaned off here, but oh, not bad. Saves me from having to do this. I can see now why they say this is imperative, because look at that. I have replacements. I checked.